Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Accountancy, sum number 7, chapter 6, retirement or death of a partner. Okay. In sum number 7, Vijay, Lakshmi and Siddhi are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3:2. Siddhi retires. Okay. New profit and loss sharing ratio of Vijay and Lakshmi is 2:3. Okay. Working note: old share, new share. Vijay 5/10. Old share, new share is 2/5. Lakshmi old share is 3/10. New share is 3/5. Siddhi old share is 2/10. Okay. Dash. Now gain ratio: new share minus old share. Gain of Vijay: new share is 2/5 minus 5/10. Unequal denominator 50. 10 2 are 20. 5 5 are 25. It means minus 5/50. Okay. It means minus 1/10. Now gain of Lakshmi: 3/5. New share, old share is 3/10. 10 5s are 50, cross multiplication. 10 3s are 30. 5 3s are 15. Okay, 15/50, it means 3/10. Okay, gain ratio of Vijay is in minus. Okay, it means instead of gain, Vijay has sacrificed. When any partner sacrifice, we have to find that part of sacrifice, okay, from the goodwill. Okay, it means total value of goodwill is of rupees 60,000. Okay, out of that 60,000, 110, it means 6,000 rupees will credited to Vijay account, and total value of goodwill is 60,000. A retired partner is Siddhi. His share is 5:3:2. It means 2/10. Okay, it means an amount of rupees 12,000. Fine. That amount will be recorded partner capital account credit side. Okay, gain of Lakshmi, it means Lakshmi account debited, and in Lakshmi account debit side to Vijay's capital account. Okay, 6,000 rupees. Fine. Then we have to write down to Siddhi's capital account 12,000. Fine. Okay. Then partner capital account credit side by Lakshmi's capital account. Okay. An amount of rupees 6,000 in Vijay and 12,000 rupees in Siddhi. Fine. Okay. Now adjustment number 3. Market value of investment is rupees 40,000. Siddhi will take over the investment at this value. Fine. Whenever any partner takes any investment from the business, okay, any assets, it means drawings for the partner. Partner capital account debit side, okay, investment account to investment account. Okay, in Siddhi we will write down 40,000 rupees. Fine. In balance sheet asset side, total investment is of rupees 60,000. Okay, partners takes away investment at rupees 40,000. It means there is a loss of rupees 20,000. Okay, but in balance sheet liability side, investment fluctuation fund of rupees 15,000 is given. Okay, when that amount of fund with adjustment with the loss of investment, okay, there is a loss of rupees 60,000, but investment fluctuation fund is an amount of rupees 15,000. Okay, loss is of rupees 20,000. Out of that 20,000, 15,000 is to be deducted. Okay, remaining amount will be written on the revaluation account debit side to investment account, an amount of rupees 5,000. Fine. Okay, after that rupees 3,000 is to be written off from debtors and 5% bad debt reserve is to be maintained. Okay, a balance sheet asset side debtors. Okay, debtors is of rupees 23,000. Fine, 23,000 minus bad debt as per adjustment 3,000 rupees. Fine, a remaining amount is an amount of rupees 20,000. Okay, then 5% bad debt reserve minus BDR as per adjustment 5,000. It means an amount of rupees 1,000. Okay, 20,000 5%, it means 1,000 rupees. The remaining amount is 19,000. Okay, now revaluation account debit side, first we will write down to bad debt account an amount of rupees 3,000. Okay, fine. Okay, then to new BDR account 1,000 minus old BDR account 4,000. Fine, 3,000, answer is on minus. Okay, that amount will return on the credit side of revaluation account by a BDR account an amount of rupees 3,000. Fine. Okay, then value of stock is shown in the books rupees 1,000 more than its cost. Okay, that amount will be deducted from stock and that amount will be written on the revaluation account debit side to stock account amount of rupees 1,000. Okay, second effect balance sheet asset side stock is of rupees 35,000. Okay, 34,000 remaining amount. Fine. Or now next adjustment, claim of rupees 7,000 is accepted for workman compensation. Okay, first we will write down on balance sheet liability side provision for workman compensation reserve. Okay, amount of rupees 7,000. Fine. In balance sheet liability side, workman compensation fund is of rupees 17,000. Out of that 17,000, 7,000 is paid as a claim. Fine. A remaining 10,000 will be distributed between the partners as per their old ratio partner capital account credit side, okay, by workman compensation fund account. Fine. 5,000, then 3,000, and then amount of rupees 2,000. Next adjustment is rupees 12,000 is to be paid to Siddhi immediately. Okay, it means partner capital account debit side we will write down to cash account 12,000 in Siddhi, and second effect cash account credit side by Siddhi's capital account. Okay. Okay, now after completing all adjustments, now we are going to solve the balance sheet. Okay, first land and building 1,30,000. Fine. Then machinery 70,000. Okay. Then cash account 36,000. Debit side of cash account to balance BD, an amount of rupees 36,000. Fine. Now balance sheet liability side 85,000 capital account first Vijay, then 64,000 Lakshmi, and then 71,000 Siddhi. Okay. After that creditors 56,000. Okay. Then provident fund 42,000. Okay, fine. After completing all adjustment and balance sheet, now we are going to find out the balance of each account by totaling it. Okay, revaluation account debit side, total amount is of rupees 9,000. After deducting 3,000, difference of rupees 6,000 by partners capital account loss. Okay, that loss will distributed between old partner as per their old ratio. Vijay 3,000, Lakshmi 1,800, and Siddhi 1,200. This amount will be transferred to partners capital account debit side to revaluation account. Okay, loss 3,000, 1,800, and 1,200 rupees. Okay, now Vijay's credit side total is of rupees 96,000. After deducting debit amount, there is a difference of rupees 93,000. Lakshmi total credit side is of rupees 67,000. After deducting 1,800, 47,200 is of difference. And the both amount of Lakshmi and Vijay is written as a two balance CD and will be written on the balance sheet liability side to capital account Vijay 93,000 and Lakshmi 47,200. Total an amount of rupees 1,40,200. Okay. Now Siddhi's total an amount of rupees 85,000. After deducting credit amount, there is a difference of rupees 31,800. That difference amount will be written as a to Siddhi's loan account. Same amount will be written on balance sheet liability side. Siddhi's loan an amount of rupees 31,800. Then cash account 36,000. After deducting 12,000 from it, balance is an amount of rupees 24,000. Balance sheet asset side cash balance of rupees 24,000. Balance sheet liability side total is of rupees 2,77,000 and same total is on balance sheet asset side 2,77,000 rupees. Okay. In today's session we have completed our sum number 7. In next session we will continue our chapter. Goodbye. Take care all of you.